Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is using laws of exponents simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Here question number 1 is here you see question number 1 is number 1. It is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8 3 to the power 8. We'll use this formula that since we know that the formula is a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power n, that will be equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n. We'll apply this formula here, this exponent formula of exponent, right? That means we are getting here you see that all the base are same, 3 base are same, that you can write 3. That means the exponent will be added, right? The exponent will be added, that means it will be 2 plus 4 plus 8, 2 plus 4 plus 8. Exponent will be added, that means it will be 3 to the power 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, that is 3 to the power 14. This is the answer. We are applying the formula a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. Now question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 6 to the power 15, 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10, or you can write it here as 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Therefore, we will use this formula that a to the power m, a to the power m, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power n, and that can be written as a to the power m minus n. We will apply this formula here, a to the power m minus n, or you can write it here as that 6 to the power 15 minus 10, 6 to the power 15 minus 10, or you can write it here as 6 to the power 15 minus 10 is 5, 6 to the power 5, and that is the answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3 you see here is, question number 3 is a to the power 3, a to the power 3 into a to the power 2, a to the power 2. The same way we apply this formula that a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, m plus n, a to the power m plus n. Therefore, we can write here as a to the power 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, or you can write a to the power 5, that is equal to a to the power 5. Right? Now, question number 4. Question number 4 you see is, question number 4. Here it is 7 to the power x, 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2. Here you see the base are same, that is 7. Therefore, we can apply this formula, that is a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n. Right? That we can write it here as 7 to the power x plus 2, 7 to the power x plus 2. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, here you see is, question number 5 is 5 to the power 2, 5 square to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. We'll here show you what is the formula for applying this one. We'll apply one formula that is a to the power. We'll apply one formula that is a to the power m. A to the power m to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n, that is equal to a to the power mn. A to the power mn, that is m into n. We'll apply this formula here, right? And also the formula for division also, right? Let us write. That is, we are getting here, you see, if we apply this formula, that is, you are getting 5 to the power 5 to the power. If you multiply this one, 2 into 3, that is 6, right? Divided by 5 to the power 3. Or you can write it here as 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. Then we are applying the division, a to the power m divided by a to the n, a to the power m minus n. Then you will write here as 5 to the power 6 minus 3. Or you can write it here as 5 to the power 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. That is 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3. Now question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is, question number 6 is 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power into 5 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Here you see 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Then we can apply this formula, that is a to the power m. A to the power m. We will apply this formula that a to the power m, right, into b to the power m into b to the power m, that can be written as ab, since the powers are same, right? Powers are same. ab to the power m, ab to the power m, right? We are getting ab to the power m. We will apply this formula, that is a to the power m into b to the power m. We will get ab to the power m, right? Let us find this one. That is, here you see this 2 to the 5 into 5 to the 5. Basis, the exponent are same. We can write it here as 2 into 5 to the power 5. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 to the power 5. Or you can write it here as yes, 2 to 5 to the 10. 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. We'll apply this formula that a to the power m into a to the power b to the power m is a into b to the power m, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.